Hey guys, Kenny here from Magic Internet Money and Games, and today we have a pre-Christmas Eve Bitcoin trade. If you saw my last video, maybe I'll link it up here. I hit the trade right on, not saying that I'm perfect, but that was just a really good one. It was nice long, but so let's get into this one. It was just going to be a short. Right, so let's switch over to the screen. So this is the Bitcoin chart. What you see right, let's get rid of that. What you see right here is the fixed volume profile tool. So it's this little guy up here. You click it, let's say we're going to click it from here. You pull across everything that you want to gauge, and then it comes up with this range basically. So you can see we're basically inside and outside this range going across. So Bitcoin's ranging sideways, but as we see here, this is going to be a little bonus one depending on when you see this, but this could be a little bit of a long. If we get the retest, I would think about this. So come back and hit the point of control here, then it's going to work its way up to the high. So that's I'll explain this already, but this is where we're ranging right now. So if you look at the old 4 hours, so this is, if you look at it, actually we'll go to the daily. So you can see the daily here, we went this big crazy high at the top, and now again, we're still ranging. But what I'm looking for, it's easier to see it on the daily. We'll make it a little bigger here. That's what she said. Okay, so what I am currently looking for, okay, we'll come over to the 4 hour, kind of like the 4 hour here. So you can see we're ranging sideways. We're slowly working our way back up. This would be, so at the 4 hour, a low. Did we put in a high, a low, a high, and then if we put in a low again and take out this high. So what I am looking for, see if I have my drawing tool here. What I'm looking for here is for Bitcoin here to work its way up. And what we have, what I'm looking to have, is see this high over here. I'm looking for it to take out that high but not close above it. And that's an SFP, so a swing failure pattern. So basically the price is trying to go above, but it fails to do so. So what you usually see is, we'll stop this here, we get a little bit of a wick. So pretend this is a candle. We'll make this a green candle, nice big green candle. And what you get is a wick coming from it here, going up and stopping. So there's the top. The price goes above the high, but can't make it. It's being pushed back down, and once it closes behind that, we're off to the races down below to take out the low. So what am I looking for at the bottom? Obviously not financial advice. Yes, did I hit the last trade dead on? Yes, I did. Could this one fail? 100%. But usually what we see at Christmas time into the new year, Bitcoin price weakens, and we'll usually see a bit of a sell-off. So that's what I'm looking at for here. Could it tank right from here? Go straight down? 100%. Could it go up, fake me out, not get there, then tank one? Yep, 100%. It could do that. Or it could do this up above and then boom off to the races and totally mess me up. So there's a whole bunch of different options. But for me to enter this trade, what I'm looking for is what I just showed you there. Let me see if I can get rid of this without... I love my little candle that I made here. So what we're looking for there, like I said, an SFP, take out the high. Then we're looking for a market structure change. So when we have market structure change, we'll draw it up here. So right now we're looking for the price to go up, 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 and when it gets to here, we have that swing failure pattern, and then we're looking for it to come back down. So when is it really safe with market structure to enter this trade? Well, where is that right here? So we had a higher high, higher high, higher high, lower low, lower low, lower low. So then what we're looking for is now we do the SFP here. It's coming down, still not safe, it's coming down. So you could enter this trade because let's say on the 15-minute, this is the structure you're seeing, and it's making lower lows and stuff like that. But realistically for this 4 hour, when you, right here, when it breaks structure, so break of structure, then you're like, okay, we're off to the races. It's changed market structure at a high time frame, so it's pretty consistent. Yeah, so even when it comes down here, it could trick you out and come so far up and then back down, because that still maintains market structure, because this is the high right here, as you can see, and it didn't break that, so this is still all right. So anyway, back down to my trade. So what am I looking for at the bottom? What would make sense? So sell off in the new year, maybe we are going to go higher. So this could take a little while to develop, but if we go to the daily, let's get rid of this. So here's the daily chart. Ignore this stuff. So this is the range that we're in. I would look for it to break out of this range. So we have a CME gap right here. We have a naked point of control right here. And if you go from, see, I was making higher, high, low. So this low here, boom, all the way to the high. Was that the low? So this is daily up. We got up, down, up, down, up, break, down. So that is, so there. So this is the golden pocket right here, right above the CME gap, and this is a 786. So anywheres, now I know this is terrible because this is a huge box, but I'd be looking for something to go on inside this box because we have the CME gap, we have the naked point of control, we also have the golden pocket in the 786. So those are fibs when you pull from the top of the bottom range. If you don't know that, you can do it from the top up here. You pull down, where I'm on my, so you can see it makes these fibs there. So it's the 618, the 786 in the purple, and the 665 is what the golden pocket is between the 618 and the 65. It creates this golden pocket. And fib retracement, a lot of times we'll see price bounce from that. So let's see if we came down, boom, boom, boom. Actually, it would have started from the top, but it can go anywhere in here. It could bounce from the golden pocket and go. Just to clarify, I was not looking for it to go down from here. I'm looking for it to go down from there. Nope, I was trying to drag the screen. But yeah, it could come down into one of these naked point of controls, take it out. It could come down, bounce off the 786 and go up, or it could just go right down, crash and burn down here somewheres. That is all a possibility, all something that I would not leave out. So that is what I'm looking for. So just to sum it all up is, let's get this, let's see if I can clean this range all up. Yes, delete, delete, delete. Oh, it took my range out. Anyway, we'll just make a quick range here, really quick. Boom, down to here. Oh, where's my line? Down to there. So that's the range we're in. So like I said, I'm looking for it to come down. It's not a range tool. We're looking for it to come down, up, and SFP that, go straight down, break structure, and work its way down somewheres to down here. So obviously I'd be taking out quite a bit of profit here because I'd be looking for it to then go the other way, but I'd leave some in just in case. And again, I'd wait for that market structure to head the other way. Realistically, yes, we could come all the way down to in the 20s or something. We're not going to 15, we're not going to 10, we're not going to 3,000, we're not going there. Could we go back in the 20s? 100% we could. Anyways, I hope you guys have great Christmas. This Christmas tree here should have been green. I hope you guys have a great Christmas. You look at this for the charts, but have fun with your family. And we'll see you after. Do the whole like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.